Hi students, this is my work of art. This is the one that I've already created. I'm going to show you on this blank piece of paper how you can create one. The first thing you're going to do is take a crayon and you're going to start drawing patterns on your paper. I'm going to do a paisley pattern and I'm using a pink crayon. Now, if I would keep going with this and I would put more on there to get it finished. And then maybe I want some wavy marks in my pattern. So I'm drawing directly on the paper with the crayon. And then I might want to switch colors, and I would like, let's get some blue. I want maybe some flower shapes to be part of my pattern. And then after you have this whole sheet filled up with patterns, you're going to paint with tempera cakes and water. So to use tempera cakes, you just get a brush wet and it has water on it, so you put it on there and you rub it kind of in a circle and then you paint with it and you just do a wash, or I'm using my left hand, which is not a good thing. Let me switch hands. Okay, so then when you paint over the color, it's still going to show up. And the more water you have on your brush, the lighter the color will be. So when I did mine, I put more water in some places and less water in other places because I had some places that I kind of wanted to be dark. You see that dark right there? And then I had some places that I wanted to be light, like that place. And you can use all the color paint and you can kind of blend them together. It starts to look a little tie-dye. You may get a little purple if you mix, like blue and pink together. You may have some places that look a little purple. And you're going to paint over this whole sheet. So to review, make sure you drop your patterns over the whole entire paper. You need to fill up your whole entire paper. And then you're going to paint on top of those things like I did, and you're going to fill up your whole entire paper. Let's look at the one that's finished one more time. So you can see that I used more than one color to draw my pattern. I've got pink, purple, green, and blue in there. And then you can also see where I have some light places with the paint and I have some darker places with the paint. And you can see that I have pink and I have some blue. There's even some green paint in there. I used all of the color options that I had.